So there's specific reasons why I use this type of hose. You can get them at Home Depot, you can get them everywhere. You guys know it's the expandable hose. I use these up on the roof because they are so light. However, they are not very durable. So these will have to be replaced pretty frequently, maybe every couple months, just kind of depends on how heavy you use them. But you do not want to use these if your water is somewhere on ground level. You do not want to use these to route your hose down to the ground because it will squish. Because of the elevation, the water pressure is not going to be strong enough to get the water all the way up onto the roof. So if you're dropping down to a ground level, you're going to want to use a thick rubber hose to get up to the roof. But once you are on the roof, you can switch to this. These expand nicely. You can see they fold up nice and small. I can put them on my pants here to get down off of the roof. I can throw them into a bucket. Really lightweight, really good to use. And then once you're on the roof, boom, you can use it for pretty much everything else that you need on the roof. But you do not ever want to use these inside of a building, not in a customer's building. Because like I said, these are not very durable. Being dragged across the roof, this roof is rough. It's got a lot of rough edges, so it's gonna wear down. This hose is actually pretty new, so I don't have an area to show you, but they do wear down and they do pop. They pop quite easily once they start to get worn out. So you do not want this to pop inside of a customer's restaurant or building. That's not fun, and ask me how I know. Rooftop use, great, lightweight. Indoor use, no go. I use these little clips here. They're called cable cuffs. Quick little in and out. That way you can hold on to it, hook that on yourself. That way it doesn't get all tangled up. If your hose ever starts to leak when you've got it attached to your water source here, and it's spraying out all over the place right here, it's because your hose is supposed to have this little rubber washer. These pop out all the time. A lot of people will, as soon as their hose starts to leak, they'll just condemn the hose and just assume that it's bad. They'll throw it away, they'll buy a new one. You can get a pack of these, like a pack of 3 for, I don't know, probably under $2. And it will definitely extend the life of your hose. You just get new washers, push it right on down in there, and that should take care of your leak problem. If not, buy another hose.